Hello all, this is just a quick demo of the GC Wi-Fi adapter for iOS. This is the first release of the device. First thing you do is you come up here and you pick your Wi-Fi access point. This device provides an access point, IPv4 only, and so here we can see it selected. You see GCWiFi3 and then the part of the MAC address in there. Once you're put on the access point, then you can go in and configure the device. You can do different things to it, different licenses, system details, current partition. You can come over here and you can configure the access point. Right now it's set for no password, so you can configure the password. These are the different things you can configure in it. Okay. And then if we leave here, and then we can launch the application once we're connected. And this is the actual iOS application in here. And okay, so we get a connect button down here. You hit connect. It comes up and we'll start talking to the device. This is for a stepper motor controller. And so what we have is the current position. It's in wave stepping. We have the coils. They can be turned on and off, and then also the phase select for the device. You get the current temperature that's shown from a temperature sensor, and this is the current steps per second. And you can move the stepper motor in at the rate you're going. This is the slider for the speed. If you notice over here, this is the steps per second being set. Okay, so now we're moving very slowly now, moving out, and we can do different things. We can set up the menu, we can set the brightness on the menu, and let's see, so we can turn the brightness down, we can turn the brightness up, we can set the backlight always on, or we can turn it off. If it's off, then you can also set how long to keep it on. This is in seconds, up to 120 seconds. And then we can set the max speed. So if you notice, the slider here is all the way over here. Now if I drop the max speed that you're allowed to step at, if you notice here, this slider moves. So it's going to limit you to how fast you can drive your stepper. It stops out at 97 steps per second. Okay, then we can set the contrast. Basically the intensity of it. We'll drop out of here. We can go to different positions. Here's different stored positions. There's 9168, so if I hit an in button here, let's see, there we go. So now it'll step on over to that current position. You can store up to 5 positions in the device. See, we're moving pretty slow here, but you can see it walk its way through the system. Kind of boring watching it move slowly, but we'll let it finish. Okay, so then you get up to 5 positions you can access. Okay, it starts over again. Then we can go save positions. We get 5 different positions again where you can save the current stepper motor position up there. We can, nope, I don't want to do that. Nope, that was a 0. Okay, and we can come down here. Now all of the smarts in this application are in the device itself. This iOS application is pretty much just a dumb terminal that sends out key press, key release, and cursor commands. Okay, so we got motor advanced. You can set the stepping. You notice we're at W now. Half stepping, full stepping. Okay, we can set the coils on and off. 1 means off. Let's leave them on when you're stepping. You can also set the phases for the wiring of your stepper motor. You can set 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and then we can go to the next menu item. We can set up temperature. It does automatic temperature compensation inside of it. It says that for every 5 half a degree change in Celsius, this is a fixed point, 1 decimal point in there, half a degree Celsius, move 100 steps. Okay, and no backlash control set up for this device. And then here's the various temperature compensation. So it's currently off. So the current temperature is 20. Last temperature compensated was 21. Okay, so we go to the next menu item, and then we're back to the main screen. Here's the current temperature, steps per second. Again, you can see them change. And that's pretty much it, folks. Thank you very much. Okay, here we are again. So we're connected to the device, and now we can also disconnect from the device. Now, what we've been looking at here is the unit talking to this. This is a little prototype you see here of the Wi-Fi adapter, and that's hooked up, wired into a GC-USB-nSTEP. So that's the thing all working. And here we can see if I reconnect over here in the app, okay, you can start seeing the little blue light flash. That's just showing it's talking. And then I'll disconnect in the app and we stop talking again. That's it, folks. Thank you.